Here is how you can change the clock on your lock screen of the Android. Let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So I can just lock the device so we can actually get to the lock screen like this. And once I tap the buttons to make it look up, I can just hold it down like this to make some changes. At first, I have to type in the code because the phone was locked just now. So I have to type in the code, but once we do that, you can see we are now inside of the editing mode of the lock screen. And in here, we can change things like the wallpaper, the widgets, and other options, but we can definitely click on the time, the clock right there. So at first, we can resize it and make it larger, right? Like this, or when you click on it, you can definitely pick from the different options. So first of all, we can change the font, right, and make it look a little bit of difference in there. So if you don't like the basic font, you can definitely change it to something else, but you can as well choose a different time format altogether. So you can choose the analog clock if you prefer that one, or this way of showing the time perhaps in a different font, right? And you can go below, choosing like this, whatever, right? That's how you prefer it, so you can pick from many options. And the option entirely at the bottom is for the color selection. So not only can we change the shape, font, and the style entirely, but we can as well change the color. So once you're happy with it, you can essentially just hit the save and hit it done, and this is how the time is going to look now on your lock screen of your Android phone. So let me know if it worked for you, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.